ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्यन्तं स्रक्खणीवोद्गतं यतः त्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि द्वितीय अध्याय। विवेक बिटवीन आत्मा एंड अहंकार, which is very crucial. The way it is done in the current context is ahankara cannot be atma dharma. Ahankara is not atma dharma. If ahankara becomes atma dharma, atma is nitya, so ahankara also will become nitya, like jnanam. So what is wrong with ahankara becoming nityam? Ahankara means the sukha, dukkha, raga, dvesha, whatever is there in the form of antakarana vrittis, they all will become nitya, satya. So then moksha shastra will become vyartha. This is what we saw in 33rd shloka. Tika nanu यावद् द्रव्य भावित्वा भावेपि श्यामत्वादेर धर्मत्वं दृश्यते तस्माद् अहंकारस्य अनित्यत्वेपि नित्यात्म धर्मत्वम् उपपद्यत इति शंकते स्यादिति. Siddhanti had said ahankar cannot be atma dharma. Otherwise what will happen? As long as atma is there, ahankar also will be there. So the dharmi, as long as dharmi is there, dharma attributes also will remain. But that is not the case. Ahankara is ayavad atma bhavi. Jnanam, satyam jnanam anantam is
Yavadatma bhavi.
Correct. Yavad atma bhavi. Ahankara is ayavad atma bhavi. All satyam jnanam anantam, they are yavad atma bhavi. So on this now Purvapakshi has objection. Nanu यावद् द्रव्य भावित्व अभावे अपि श्यामत्वादेर धर्मत्वं दृश्यते. यावद् द्रव्य भावित्व, as long as dravya is there, that dharma is also existing. This is called yavat dravya bhavitvam. So Purvapaksha says, take a ghata. Ghata, when it is created, it is dark. It is shyama. But after that, you bake the pot, it becomes red, baked. So that shyamatva, the darkness, is not yavat dravya bhavi. The ghata is existing, attributes have changed, but it is same ghata. So like that, atma can be there, ahankara attributes can change, and atma is still nitya. Yavat dravya bhavitva abhave api श्यामत्वादेर धर्मत्वं दृश्यते. Shyamatva is dharma of dharmi, which is ghata. Tasmat ahankarasya anityatve api nityatma dharmatvam upapadyata iti shankate. So therefore ahankar can be anitya and still it can be having nitya atma dharmatvam upapadyata iti shankate. Syaditi in Moolam स्यात् परिहारः स्वाभाविक धर्मत्व अभ्युपगमे अपि स्यात् परिहार. Siddhanti says, yes, this can be a parihara, but स्वाभाविक धर्मत्व अभ्युपगमे अपि आम्रादि फलवत्. This is the parihara by Purvapaksha Shanka. He is doing this. Parihara of what Siddhanti said, parihara to that. What is that? Swabhavik, he gives another example. Means Acharya gives different example, Tikakar gave different example. Tikakar gave the example of pot which is black and then becomes red. Sureshwaracharya ji says, Swabhavik dharmatva abhyupagame api amradi phalavat. This is Purva Paksha only. Take a mango. What is its swabhavik rupa? It is green. What is its taste? It is sour in the beginning. And it is hard. So Kathinyam is there. So if you take guna of that mango, Harita, Kathinya, and Katu, they call sour as Katu or Amla. But when the same mango becomes ripe, so it becomes orangish, yellowish, Pita. It becomes softer and it is also sweeter. So, but it is the same mango. स्वाभाविक धर्मत्व अभ्युपगमे अपि आम्रादि फलवत् इति चेत् सिद्धांति says न परिहरति तन्न इति. आम्रादेः परिणामित्वात् गुणः निर्गुणान्तरैः अविकारितु तद्ब्रह्म न हि द्रष्टुरिति श्रुतेः. आम्रादेः परिणामित्वात् गुणः निर्गुणान्तरैः अविकारितु तद्ब्रह्म न हि द्रष्टुरिति श्रुतेः. Siddhanti says that example that you gave of mango is very good, but that dravya is parinami. Atma is not. Amradehe parinamitvat gunahanihi gunantaraihi bhavatyeva. Gunantaraihi gunahani. Another guna comes and it destroy the previous guna. That happens. Because Amra is parinami. The dravya is parinami. Brahma avikari tu tad Brahma. That Brahma is avikari. Then how you will have modifications in Brahma which will be reflected in the attributes of Brahma, which is Ahankara. Because Purvapakshi said Ahankara is attribute of that Atma or Brahma. And it can be changing. It can be Anitya. But Siddhanti says it cannot be Anitya, because if that is Anitya, it will make Atma Anitya. In the next shloka, he will say that. Here he says only this much. Brahma is avikari. Avikari cannot have parinami guna. In case of Amra, it is possible. How Brahma is avikari? Nahi drashtur iti shrutehe. Nahi drashtur drashter viparilopo vidyate. Avinashitvat. So drashta, drashti is avinashi. Drashtuhu, drashtehe, viparilopo na vidyate. So remember, all these yuktis are for us to understand. But then we should be able to hold on to this wisdom. Then only we are wise. Otherwise, we are otherwise. So if I have not developed the strength to stand on the feet of my wisdom, knowledge, and I seek external support, I have not actually started studying Vedanta seriously. I am just spending some time here and there. You have to know this. The objective of Vedanta is that in the absence of support, and don't say it will happen later, it will happen later. If you don't make effort to make it happen now, it will never happen. I have to learn to stand on the feet of wisdom. Knowledge should be my support, nothing else. I should learn this, not remain as dependent. And also don't say, oh, but that person is also dependent, that person. Then that person, wherever they end up, you also end up there. टीका आम्रादि द्रव्यस्य परिणामित्वेन गुणान्तरोदय संभवात् तेन स्वाभाविकस्यापि गुणस्य नित्यनिवृत्तिः संभवति. आम्रादि द्रव्यस्य परिणामित्वेन, आम्रादि द्रव्य इज परिणामी, परिणामित्वेन गुणांतर उदय संभवात्. In Amra, Gunantara Udaya is possible. Other Guna is possible. Tena Swabhavikasya api Gunasya Nitya Nivrittihi Sambhavati. So then because of that, Swabhavika Guna also can be eliminated. Nitya Nivrittihi Sambhavati. Now in this line, there can be some objection. If somebody can think of this objection, then it is good. Otherwise, I will tell what is the objection. What is the objection here? You take a dravya, any matter, which has attributes. Now it is said, dravya is parinami. Dravya is parinami. Can you hear me?
Yes, Swamiji.
Dravya is parinami. If dravya is parinami, how do you know dravya has parinam? Only through the attributes we recognize that dravya has parinam. If mango has undergone change, how will you know? Only through
Bishop.
attributes. Is there any other way?
No, Swamiji.
So when they say dravya is parinami, amradi dravyasya parinamittvena, parinamitva siddhi will not happen other than you see the guna. So if gunas have changed, then you can say it is parinami. Because it is parinami, therefore you can say gunantara udaya sambhavat. So there is a possible objection. Any dravya, if it is parinami, how will you know that it has undergone parinama? Without knowing the attributes. Only through the attributes guna, you will know dravya has parinama. If I am not allowed to know guna, how will I know dravya? And when they say dravyam ekakshanam nirgunam nishkriyam cha tishtati. Prathama kshanam. Dravya in the prathama kshana is nirguna nishkriya. But that nirguna nishkriya is not pratyaksha of dravya. It is anumeya. Why? Because guna have to be ashrita in dravya. This is so there is a possible objection to this argument. Siddhanti will have to say all dravyas are parinami because they are anitya. Anityatva means we know the final vikara as vinasha. Because of that, we will have to say it has other vikaras also. Because of that, we say dravya is parinami. This is one of the strong arguments against the objection that I had raised. Anyway, if you appreciate such things, then you think about such things. Otherwise, it is okay. Means we want students who think about these things, not think about other worldly things. Tena swabhavikasya api gunasya nitya nivrittihi sambhavati. I'm not saying there are no students. There are enough students who are really serious, and I know. But those who are not, then they have to put forth effort for this. Brahma, what about Brahma? Brahmanastu kutasthatvena gunantara abhavat. Brahma is kutastha, aparinami, aparinamitvat. There is no gunantara. Anya guna. Anyat guna, gunantaram. Gunantara bhavat. Tad dharmasya ahankarasya na nivrittihi sambhavati. So it's dharma. If it is ahankara, it will not have nivritti. It will remain all the time. Tatasya atmano nityatvat tad dharmasya ahankarasyapi nityatvam eva iti bhava. If atma is nitya, its dharma ahankar also will be nitya. So then ahankar will continue until the end. Then raga, dvesha, kama, krodha, all problems will continue. Further, purvam ahankarasya anityatvan nityatma dharmatvam anupapannam iti uktam. Idanim atmano nityatvat anitya ahankara dharmitvam ayuktam ityaha. Purvam ahankarasya anityatvat. Earlier, how the arguments were, ahankara is anitya, it cannot be dharma of atma which is nitya. Ahankarasya anityatvat nitya atma dharmatvam anupapannam iti uktam. Now reverse. Idanim atmano nityatvat anitya ahankara dharmitvam ayuktam. Now he says because atma is nitya, it cannot have anitya ahankara dharma. Earlier he said ahankara is anitya, it cannot have nitya atma as it cannot become dharma of nitya atma. Now he says atma is nitya, it cannot have ahankara as anitya dharma of that nitya atma as dharmi. Atmano nityatvad anitya ahankara dharmitvam. Anitya ahankara dharmitvam kasya?
Atmanasya.
Atmana ayuktam ityaha. Ahankarasya cha agamapayitvat tadharminascha nityatvam prapnoti. Ahankara is agamapayi. Agamapayi. Agamasya apayasya iti tadharmi agamapayi. Agamapayitvat tadharminascha anityatvam prapnoti. So then it's dharmi. Atma also will become anitya. Agamapayi nishthatva अनित्यत्वमियादृशिः उपयन्नपयन् धर्मो विकरोति हि धर्मिणम् आगमापायनिष्ठत्वादनित्यत्वमियादृशिः उपयन्नपयन् धर्मो विकरोति हि धर्मिणम्. इस उत्तरार्ध इस प्रसिद्ध है. This is oft quoted. उपयन अपयन धर्मः धर्मिणम विकरोति ही. Dharma which is having upayan apayan dharma means that which has upayan apayan dharma, that dharma which is subject to change, arrival and departure, will create vikara in the dharmi. In the purvardha, what is the kriya pada?
Iyat.
Very good. Iyat. Iyat iyatam iyuhu. What is that rupa? Which lakara?
Vidhiling.
Vidhiling. And dhatu?
Ingatau.
Ingatau. Instead of ingatau dhatu, if I want to use aplir dhatu and vidhiling, then what will be the rupa? Aplir praptau.
Apnuyat.
Apnuyat. Like iyat, it will become apnuyat. Drishihi. Drishihi means atma. Atma will attain iyat, apnuyat, anityatvam. Tika. Acharya has done the, means Tikakar has done the samas vigraha. Agama ahankarasya nishtha sthitir yasmin asau agamapayi nishthas tasya bhavas tattvam tasmad ityarthah. Agamapayino ahankarasya. Agama, first he does vigraha between agamapayi and nishtha. Agamapayinaha nishtha. Agamapayi nishtha. Nishtha. Then nishtha means sthiti. Agamapayi is ahankara. Ahankarasya nishtha sthitir yasmin atmani. Because ahankara is nishtha in atma. Atma is dharmi. If you say like that, then atma will become agamapayi nishtha. Tasya bhavaha agamapayi nishthatvam. Tasmat agamapayi nishthatva. Ityartha. Further, idanim saugatamatam ashankate astu iti. Saugatamatam bauddhamatam. Astu anityatvam kam upalabhe mahi pramanopapanatvat iti chet. So let there be anityatva of atma. What is the big difference? Why you are doing this? Kam upalabhe mahi means to whom we shall show the objection, kind of. Means we will not show any objection to you. Who will say? Bauddhas will say, if your atma is anitya, it is not a problem. Why? Because our atma is also anitya. We also think like that only. Pramanopapannatvat iti chet. Because it is pramanopapanna. Nirasyati. Siddhanti says no. Means Purvapaksha says, Bauddhas, that it is anitya, and it is, you have arrived at that through pramana. So it is okay. Pramana upapanna. Siddhanti says no. Sada vilupta sakshitvam स्वतः सिद्धं कार्यते अपह्नोतुं घटस्येव कुशाग्रीयधियात्मनः सदा विलुप्त साक्षित्वं स्वतः सिद्धं न पार्यते अपह्नोतुं घटस्येव कुशाग्रीयधियात्मनः सदा अविलुप्त साक्षित्वम. Atma is sada avilupta. Khandakar you have to put. Atma is sada avilupta chaitanya. There is no viparilopa. It is swata siddham. Na paryate. Na paryate means it cannot be crossed. Kushagriya dhiya atmanah सदा विलुप्त साक्षित्वम स्वतः सिद्धम घटस्य इव अपह्नोतुम न पार्यते. दिस इज हाउ द फुल अन्वय विल बी. कुशाग्रीय धिया आत्मनः सदा विलुप्त साक्षित्वं स्वतः सिद्धम घटस्य इव अपह्नोतुम न पार्यते. By someone who has very kushagra buddhi, very sharp intellect. Kushagriya dhiya. Iya pratyaya has come. Iya has come because of which pratyaya?
Yasun.
Chakya.
By Iyasun cha pratyaya. What is the sutra?
Ayadiniyaha Adakachagam Pratyayadinam.
Kushagriya dhiyatmanah. So some Kushagriya dhiya is one shabda. Atmanah is separate. By someone who has Kushagra buddhi, Kushagriya dhiya Atmanah sada avilupta sakshitvam. Atma which is sada avilupta sakshi, swata siddha. It's apahnotum. Apahnotum, what is the dhatu?
Hnu apanayane.
Hnu apanayane, we saw in Brahma Sutra. Ghatasya iva, like ghata you can say with some sharp thinking. Ghata can be anitya. Atma cannot be anitya. It is swata siddha, means sadrupa, and avilupta sakshi, in chidrupa. Tika. Tikakar says, what all problems will come? Sati dehe tavat atmanaha pratyabhignaya sthayitva avagamat. Dehe, sati dehe, in the body which is existing, atmanaha sthayitva pratyabhignaya avagamat. Atma is same, constant. This can be known through pratyabhignya. Soham, soham. What is pratyabhignya? What is the meaning of pratyabhignya? According to Nyaya Darshan, what is the lakshana for pratyabhignya?
Tattedanta avagahi jnanam.
Tattedanta avagahi jnanam. According to Vedanta, what is the shloka?
Bhatasya tasya purvam bhasamanasya sampratam soyamityanandhanam pratyabhijnanam uchyate.
Too much eating bhata, everywhere bhata is not there. Bhasamanas. Bhatasya kasyachit bhasamanasya sampratam. This is pratyabhignya. Pratyabhignya is sthai. So, Atma has to be same. One. Avagamat. Then anityatve. If Atma is anitya, then akrita abhyagama, akrita vipranashadi dosha prasangat. These doshas will come. Akrita abhyagama. Akritasya कर्मणः phalasya abhyagama. That karma which I have not done, for which I will get the phala. And kritasya karmanah phalasya vipranasha. Karma that I have done, whose phala will get destroyed. Why? The same Atma is not continuing further. Suddenly account is closed. Adi dosha prasangat. Then jati smarana di darshanat. Jati smarana means when a person is born, then that person remembers sometimes Purva Janma. Some Purva Samskaras are there. They say up to certain age they are there, then they go away. But some people, they get those flashes and remembrance of Purva Janma. Jati Smaranadi Darshanat. Mukhya Arthe Bad Abhavat. In the Mukhya Artha, that Atma is Nitya, there is no Bada. Means there is no, Shruti says Atma is Nitya. It is Pramanena Jnata. Yukti is there. Atma is Nitya. So then there is no Badha of this Mukhya Artha. If Mukhya Artha Badha is then we will take some other Gauna Artha. प्रत्यभिज्ञायाः सादृश्य निबंधनत्व कल्पना अनुपपत्तेश्च. प्रत्यभिज्ञायाः सादृश्य निबंधनत्व. If someone says there is no such thing called pratyabhijna, Buddhas have this argument. Their argument is there is only sadrishya, like Deepakalika. Seyam Deepakalika. This is sadrishya. This is not pratyabhijna. So pratyabhijnayaha sadrishya nibandhanatva kalpana, if someone says this is only kalpana, anupapattesya, that is not true. Nityatvam atmanah swatah siddham nikhnotum na shakyata ityartha. Atmanah nityatvam is swatah siddham. Nikhnotum means apahnotum na shakyat. Nobody can refute it. Nobody can eliminate it. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaja Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.